In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capitalize all letters in Word efficiently, taking you through this simple process in just 5 minutes. Whether you're editing a project or preparing a formal document, knowing how to change text to uppercase can save you a lot of time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening Microsoft Word. This might be obvious, but it's an essential first step. Whether you open an existing document or start a new one, the process remains the same. Next, you'll need to select the text you wish to change to uppercase. You can do this easily by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. If it's a whole section of your document or the entire content that you want to capitalize, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac to highlight everything, ensuring no piece of text is left out of the transformation. Once your text is selected, it's time to head over to the Home tab, conveniently located at the top of your Word interface, just above the ribbon with all the tools you'll need. One might say that this section is like the control center where you can execute most of your formatting changes. Now, within the Home tab, focus your attention on the font group. This is where you'll find all your font settings, your options for italicizing, underlining, and other formatting styles live here. Look closely and you'll spot the Change Case button. It appears as a letter A with a tiny arrow next to it, hinting at its function of altering how text appears. Click on the Change Case button and a small drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a few options. Today, we are interested in just one of those, uppercase. Simply click on uppercase, and voila, your selected text will instantly transform to all capital letters. This is perfect when you need to make sure headers stand out, or when you're following the specific formatting guidelines of a project or assignment. And there you have it. Transforming your text to all capital letters is as easy as that. Remember, understanding these small yet significant Word features can greatly enhance your productivity. You'll no longer need to retype anything to change the lettering style. Just a few clicks and your task is complete. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy word processing.